In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Sweet Bee Organics promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and search for Sweet Bee promo code. Right here, you have to select the first website right here, which is retrieve.com. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get a discount. And for example, if I want to use the 10% off right here, we'll have to select copy code. And this is our discount code that we can use in order to get the discount. Right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, we can see this website right here, which is coupon codes that also provide us with different type of promo codes and discounts that we can use. And for example, if you want to get a free shipping, all you have to do is select get offer right here, and you'll be redirected to their website, and the promo code will be automatically applied to your purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.